Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of life and health. Guys, my today's video contains very beautiful, simple, easy to make creative designs of hand embroidery dresses, hand embroidered kurti, hand embroidered shirts, hand embroidered kameez and different type of patterns that could be made by using the art of hand embroidery, needle art or thread work as well. So before going into the further details, please do subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Guys, now let's move back towards our main concern, that is how you can design your dresses by sitting at your home instead of spending a lot of money on a very heavy and very massive money based tags of dresses that are totally entirely handmade and attract or grab your attention. I would recommend you to do try these patterns and make a very beautiful and creative dress of your own by sitting at your home, because guys, on our daily basis we try best to share creative, amazing, beautiful and stylish content with you so that you could make a very beautiful and creative hand art creativities in your layer or free spare time. So this video collection is absolutely amazing creative. I was saying that how you can pair up or design your dresses. Guys, you can design your summer outfits like on lawn, on organic linen, cotton fabric to give the creative and festive look for summer season in order to remain comfortable, lightweight and elegant for the whole day look of your summer dress. This is absolutely a fine and a beautiful collection for you. And if you want to create more creative and funky classy designs of your shirts embroidery, then guys, you can go for linen, you can go for formal fabric as well, like silk, like chiffon or any type of chantilly collection as well. So do try this pattern. The thread you can use for making these is anchor DMC wool, and you can also use sewing thread for making these very beautiful patterns. Necklace style embroidery is always eye-catchy. Simple and decent elegant styles of hand embroidered kurtis are always in fashion for girls, school going, university going students, and even the working faculty like teachers and administrative staff as well. So all the hundred and designs of shirts, necklines, kameez and dresses are absolutely eye-catchy, unique and beautiful in itself. So do try these patterns, share your experiences with us on our channel. We try our level best to share creative, unique and beautiful ideas that are totally related to the fashion world and give a mesmerizing and eye-catchy look to the wearer. So stay tuned for the new and more upcoming videos and content. Up till then, take care.